My car doesn't have Apple CarPlay by default. So I was actually sent this to try to see if it will actually work. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to open this up and actually see what you're going to get. So inside the box, you're going to receive a user manual. You're going to receive this, which is a nice little adapter, because this right here is a USB. And so that way, should you have a USB-C, then you can just go ahead and put this on and it will work that way. So here's how it works. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the USB into your car, whichever one will handle like an aux output type thing, right? So whichever one handles that, you're going to put this in. Then before you even really want to get started, there is a QR code, and this is, you're going to choose one of these to just make sure that the make and model car that you have is going to work. Next, it will give you all kinds of instructions, but I'm going to tell you how to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your Wi-Fi on your phone is turned on and your Bluetooth is turned on, but you don't want to connect to any specific Wi-Fi or Bluetooth yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this into your car. You're going to look and see that you have it selected there as a Wi-Fi, but you're not going to connect to it. You just want to make sure you have it. And the X's are going to be followed by numbers. Then you're going to wait and check the Bluetooth, because the Bluetooth is going to have the same number, just like that. Once you click on that, it's going to pair. Now, what's going to happen is, depending on your car, you're going to wait for a little bit, and then you should, on your phone, have something like this. You should have one of these pop-ups that's going to show. Now, what I've noticed is for my CarPlay, I actually had to keep going a little bit further. So I actually had to go into my settings and go into the CarPlay settings to go and activate it. But that is what you're going to get. And what's going to happen is there is an indicator light. I believe it's right here. The indicator light right here. So what I noticed is that at first it was just showing that it was two lights together, red and green, and they were like flashing red and green. And that's just showing, as you could see, that the adapter's on. Then when it was actually, for me, when it was trying to connect and it was trying to pair, it was green. And then once it was done, I actually got a whole rainbow. So that is how this works. And again, I wanted to come inside, show you how it worked, show you what came inside the box, because that way this will work for any car. As long as you went to the QR codes, it'll work for any car that has the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto capabilities. But once you do that setup for the first time, then your phone is automatically going to connect every single time you get in the car.